My name is Joan Cortes. I am 14 years old. I am an industrial engineer student. Unit 1 and 2, Activity 5, Speaking Task. Bogotá is a great city what made tourist sites for Europe and it is special gastronomy that is very selective for foreign visitors. At this moment we might show spectacular cities and tropical beaches for two cities. The Maloca Interactive Center in the west of Bogotá is an ideal place for children because their curiosity is stimulated with have fun and learn about topics such as science, technology, the universe, and the human being. The Botanical Garden José Celestino Montes is named as the director of the Botanical Expedition of the new King of Granada, which began as April 30. Visiting the left market of San Alejo, which is as head of cultural and tourist interest de Bogotá. Attending an authentic encounter with the species of the city in the space on the center, where very Sunday they are about 300 exhibition of antiquities. The facing mess. The rectangle. For all Bogotá, it is a delicacy that is found in the carts of neighbors, market, squares of Sunday, rats that breed families together. Rice pudding. The budget is infinity the quality the food in the country. The is dulce de paparuela preserved in soup and cinnamon, sweet of cafe conserved, sweet of blackberries, sweet of beans, lemon or water. Preserves in the stew. Pennell where with chairs is with for sugar. Can is the perfect companion on the rain Bogotá evening. His dream is refuge to be natural antibiotic.